In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Stake to Binance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any earnings or money that you have made on Stake to your Binance account or any other bank account that you have. So, to start, you will first have to verify your email. You will only be able to start a withdrawal if you have verified your email. So, double check this, and as long as your email has been verified, you will be able to start it by going over to your account wallet. So, you can do this process on the website, on a computer, or through a web browser on your phone. Just make sure that you are properly signed in and you choose the wallet option. When you select wallet, one of the options in there is going to be withdrawal. So, usually you have deposit, withdrawal, buy crypto, and tip, and all that you have to do is choose withdrawal. By choosing withdrawal, you will then be able to select how you would like to withdraw your balance, with one of the options being crypto. Usually, you will be able to select the crypto network and then the specific asset. And finally, you will be able to enter the destination address. So if you would like to transfer money directly to Binance, you have to enter your Binance wallet address in here. So double check the address and keep in mind that this is going to send over the crypto assets. So as long as you include the Binance destination address, you will be able to select the desired amount that you want to cash out, and if you have the available funds on your account, it is going to go through. Immediately upon doing this, you will either have to put in your two-factor authentication code or a code sent to your email, and by confirming this, it is going to appear under your transactions. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, and as long as you have the necessary amount of funds and you include the destination address, you will be able to get this process started and the assets transferred over to Binance. Like I mentioned, everything can be done within your wallet, so just verify your email and make sure that you included the valid destination address. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Stake to Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.